If you have not liked and subscribed, don't forget to like and subscribe. Today I wanted to kind of make a very detailed video on how do you move like all the currencies from different chain, right? So Phantom is very popular, and you probably heard the news. Phantom just overtakes Binance Smart Chain for total value lock, right? TLV. So basically, Binance was about $12 billion, and I think they just did 12 or 13. The network has total value locked of 11.73. So that's a lot of money, right? 6% of the TLV of DeFi, right? So decentralized finance, that's a big amount, almost 12 billion locked up for FTM. FTM has been getting really good popularity. If you look at the FTM, if you look at the all time, right? So really came from literally a penny, penny in 2019 most of the time, even not enough penny, 0.00 whatever 02, then kind of 29 really crashed, and right now it's just in $2. It did hit high of almost $3, I think, somewhere, yeah, 330. Right now we are in a correction mode, like, with the everything, but really gaining popularity still. If you look at the market cap, just 5 billion. So I think this could be a really a good one if it kind of keep ups what they're doing. And seems like a lot of TLV, the logged really a huge amount, even winning Binance. So they're only after, I think, Ethereum. So that's a great news for Fantom. So I was a lot of people ask me like, how do you just use the Fantom network, right? You could always bridge, but it's really expensive or whatnot. So I wanted to kind of make a video how cheaply move from any other network to Fantom, right? So basically you will need MetaMask, which is basically open source. Yeah, open source, free. You don't need to sign up. You can just install the wallet. Just make sure you have the private key or seed. And then the next things you need is I'm using Binance. You could use other exchange too, but some exchange which supports the Fantom network, right? So I'm gonna use Binance. I don't use Binance for mostly trading. I basically have all the crypto in my laser tracer. So that's how I do it, just for the security region. If you could do multi-sig is great, but yeah, today I'm just gonna show you how do you move your coin. So I have some basically in my MetaMask I have some US. So what I'm gonna do is I have some USDC. Yeah, I have about 900 US BUSD. So I'm gonna move that to Binance and basically buy some Fantom and bring it to the Fantom network, right? So easy peasy. So first thing first, you need Binance, right? So this is Binance.us. If you have Binance.com, that works too. So if you're in the US, you could use Binance.us. If you are international, you could do. So all you do is BUSD. I want to deposit BUSD. So go deposit, easy peasy. I don't want to use ERC20, really expensive, right? I want to use BIP20. BIP20. Here it's going to be the same address, BIP20. So copy this address, copy this address. So what I'm gonna do is oh, not here, just go here. Really, I don't have to be there. BUSD. So this is BUSD. I'm gonna do send and send to this address. I have this many balance. I want to send about 800. I use here some things. So 800, just do next, and it's gonna show me some fees. So it 29 cents, not bad. I'll just do confirm, and it is sending, right? So it is pending, not sending, but pending, right? So it will take about a few seconds. So in a few seconds we should be able to see the transaction in Binance. We could really go to the block explorer. Okay, it's sent. It already sent pretty quick, right? If you had to move the same amount in Ethereum, it's probably going to $5-10 depending, but it's confirmed. So my Binance should have basically my Binance should have some BUSD. Okay, it will take a while, probably. Deposit, withdraw. Yeah, it is pending, right? So it needs, so there's 15 of 15 confirmation, so it's already confirmed pretty quick. So that's why Binance is really fast. So if you can probably get away from Ethereum just because of the fees are expensive. This is USD, but let me see if I have, yeah, I have BUSD. Now what I want to do is I'm gonna go to Fantom, right? So I'm gonna go Fantom. I don't know who calling. Somebody calling. Just a second. Yeah. So right, it's done. So I'm gonna do is trade. I'm gonna do markets. So I'm gonna buy some FTM and basically withdraw. Okay, whatever. I'm in. So FTM, right? So kind of bad part is I have BUSD. Uh, I guess I could do BUSD to USD, BUSD to USD, basically buy for it. So it will bring me to the trade section. I have USD. I'm not buying USD. I have BUSD. I'm selling. So maybe price is one amount in BUSD. I'm selling like what? Like, let's say I'm sell 500. I'll just sell it. Okay, submitted limit sale. I think it did execute it, so that's done. So I have uh, I have USD now, right? So FTM, so FTM, I can just buy since I have USD now. Um, yeah, I have 600 in USD purchase. Yeah, one-time purchase. I'll just go to advanced. I don't like this one, but so FTM is about, what is this? Oh, this is BTC. Okay, I'm not gonna do BTC. So I'm gonna do FTM. Okay, I have to go to USD. FTM. Click here. It's about 201. So I think it's pretty good price even if you are thinking of buying. So now I want to buy prices 201, 202. I'm gonna put 2.01, let's say. Amount of FTM, how much I want to buy. I'm about, yeah, I'll buy all 609. Yeah, I'll just do 609 buy FTM. And it did execute, right? So now I have FTM. Now all I need to do is go to my wallet, and I think I have some FTM. Do I have FTM? Better have FTM. Yeah, somewhere. Yeah, I have FTM. Yeah, now I have FTM. uh, I want to do is withdraw, right? So now I just withdraw. Now you need to add basically to your FTM. You can use chain list and just add it. I'm just gonna show you. If you go to chainlist.org and go to Fantom, just search Fantom. Yeah, Fantom, connect wallet, you connect it and add to MetaMask. I already added, that's why but that's all you need to do. So basically it will add Fantom to your um, I just switch here, right? That's it. Nothing, nothing else. You now I wanna put that to Fantom, my Fantom wallet, right? So this is Fantom Opera, and I wanna basically add some Fantom. So all you do is, this is your Fantom address, right? Fantom, that's it. Fantom address, and coin Fantom. You could do max, or you could do one, just to see, right? Must be 41, so I can do 41, but I guess I'll just do max. Network, you could choose, right? You don't want to be, you don't want ARC, you want Fantom, right? You are sending to the Fantom. Now input address, this is the input address, right? Now preview withdrawal. Look at this, withdrawal fee is 0.02, right? It's really cheap, right? So if you go to Ethereum, it's gonna probably cost me tons. If I use the Fantom ERC20, and it's the same address, yeah, see, I'll just do understood. I'm not gonna confirm, but look at that. Here the fee is $38, right? You lost $38 just moving. Your $600 is 570. So that's why you use all these solutions, right? So I'm just gonna stick with Fantom, this preview, and confirm. It's gonna send me SMS. I'm gonna put my SMS code. Done. Now it's gonna send me email. Okay, I confirmed it. So withdrawal submitted. Now after a second, I will see, uh, I will see basically, yeah, you see, I bought it. Now it's pending. It's 0 of 0. So it will take a while, but really cheap, right? So if you could really transfer money in pennies, then why do you invest so much, right? So this is a really good idea. Also it gives you, like, exposure to different chain. Basically you don't know which chain gonna really win at the end. It's a, like, you are in Ethereum, you are in Fantom, you are in VeChain, a lot of chains, right? So you could play around with it, but it's really simple. Now after a second you will see that balance in MetaMask. That's it. Pretty, let me see, do we have, yep, see, done. So now I have, this is a Fantom, right? FTM. Now I can go to any of the FTM shops or whatever, and just use this FTM. That's it for today. It should have been, not showing why, but if I go, yeah, somehow it's still saying this, but it's already, oh, confirmation 5 of 1 already happened. 5, I don't know why it's, but that's it. Pretty easy, pretty straightforward. So yeah, if you have any question, comment, let me know, or comment below, or if you want me to cover any other video, let me know. But that's it for today. This is the best and really cheapest way to transfer to a Fantom network. Thank you and have a great day. See you all. Thanks. Bye.